inside the Phil Oil Eco Oil Center. This is a rematch of the bronze medal game of season 99 where, Benilde won that one against LPU. First basket para dito kay Roger Ondoa.
Yun ang medyo napakasaklap nun dahil nakasona ka na, 1-2-2, na-drop pass pa. Dapat, you're guarding an area, dapat tightly secured ang spot na yan.
Aviles misses. Scoop, foul agad ang tinawag dito against Benilde. But you like the aggressiveness of Roger Ondoa. This guy's been used sparingly so far. This is his first year in the NCAA. Pero dito, he earns some minutes in the first quarter. At yun naman yung laro niya, coach. Abang sa ilalim, hustle, depensa.
Sigurado, and I'm sure dito sa LPU Pirates na to, puro rebounding drill ang ginawa nito. Si Aviles dito will have a big night kung kalaban si Liwag ngayon who's averaging around 15 rebounds per ball game. Ewan ko kung ready siya for tonight.
And we won't be surprised, you're right, coach, if Benilde goes a lot to Alan Liwag inside. Dahil, siyempre, mas maliit na team itong LPU Pirates.
Yes, I'm sure naman, pagtutulong-tulungan ng team yan Yung rebounding dito sa koponan ng LPU Pirates.
Ian Torres floats it up. Misses. Rebound is grabbed by Conanan. Quick forward pass. 3-on-1, 3-on-2. Macguadanya doesn't care. He scores on the break.
Yan ang pagkakompleto nitong Macguadanya Talagang open court player Tsaka mautak.
Coming off a 16-point performance itong si Maclod Guadanya. 42 start for the Pirates. Ondoa. Puts it down underneath.
That's the second time. Butas sila sa zone, sa 1-2-2 zone.
And he gets the steal on the other end. Ondoa. Torres, touchdown. 4-0 blitz by the Blazers. Okay, now let's go. Courtside. Ito ang unang report para sa atin ni Aliyah Fideliaga. Aliyah, go ahead.
We are in for an exciting showdown as the league's top defensive team, the Benilde Blazers, will face off against the NCAA's best offensive team, the LPU Pirates. Coach Charles Yu's strategy heading into this game is to slow down their opponent's fast breaks and pace. Meanwhile, sabi naman ni Coach Gilbert Malabanan that they will focus on what they can control and what they lack in height. They will make up with their energy and aggressiveness. Kaya ang tanong para sa larong ito ay ano ang magwawagi? Offense or defense? Back to you, Martin and Coach Jerry.
Magandang tanong yan, Aliyah. But again, two different strengths mula sa magkabilang panig natin. Of course, Coach Charles, he has faced many LPU teams in the past already. At hindi nagbabago ang sistema para kay Coach Gilbert Malabanan. It's just different personnel na gumagawa at sumusunod sa kanyang sistema.
Yes, talagang si Coach Gilbert, ima-maximize niya yung 8 players niya na magagandang scoring at si Coach Charles naman, I'm sure kung ano yung strength niya, yung power niya, i-enhance niya yun, ima-max out niya rin yung, yung potential ng mga players.
Don't get us wrong, this is a deep and a very potent Benilde team. Napakalalim ng rotation din ni Coach Charles at marami siyang scorer dito.
Yes, para hindi mo maramdaman yung pagkawala ng guard nila si Ancheta.
That's right.
So, they're trying to hide it, siyempre, kahit pa paano.
Look at that move by Maclod Guadanya here, who has 4 points already, 2 out of 2 from the field.
Bumalik na sila sa tao-tao. Kanina, naka 1-2-2. They're switching it,
Okay, ito si Inot, left with space. Inot knocks it down.
Nagkamali yung big man doon. Hindi mo pwedeng iwan yun, si Inot.
Commander, Coach?
Oo, patay ka doon.
11-6. First basket of the game para kay Tony Inot. And this guy has been offensive-minded dito sa season 100. Maclod again with another floater in the lane.
Galing, classic player. He reads, hindi siya composed na umatake sa ball screen.
These are some effortless baskets put up by Guadanya. Morales connects from long distance.
Wow, big guy. 6'3", 6'4", no? Good finish.
Also a newcomer, itong si Morales, and Benilde again with back-to-back threes to stretch the lead to 6 points. How about this outlet? Guadanya on the break, operating. Tito naman, creating for himself. Stops, creates the separation and scores. And this time again, zigzagging, stopping, and floating it up the net, Coach Jerry.
Galing. Ano, talagang labanan rito ng mga coaching, mga in-game adjustments.
Yeah.
Tsaka kung sino yung ano.
Masyadong mataas. Di naabutan ni Tony Inot. So it goes back to LPU, Coach. 14-8 in favor of the Benil Blazers. And this is a case of just being really good at offense itong Benil so far. They're connecting in different areas from the court. Oh, what a swat by Morales on Peñafiel. And Benil will have it the other way. Ondoa. Liwag puts this one on the floor. Balik sa labas. Ondoa decides to shoot. Overcooks. It stays with the green shirts. Teka muna. Timeout muna tayo with 4 minutes gone in the first. Blazers ahead by 6. Balik sa ating laban, it is a 14-8 lead for Benilde in the first frame. Roger Ondoa with a couple of baskets inside. Eto, yung salpak ni Roger Ondoa. Two-handed underneath.
Yan ang mga masasakit, mga role players. Makaka-score ng 6 points, 4 points, 5 points. Pag pinagsama-sama mo yun at close fight, masakit yun pagdating sa dulo.
Yeah. Pero ito si Roger Ondoa again, just doing his job. Undersized big, I would say. Sino to? 6'1", 6'2". But again, plays bigger than his size and height.
Kahit role player yan. Pero pag nagtuloy-tuloy ang laro yan, ahaba rin ang oras yan.
Correct. Mula ito sa ano, Coach? Iba Zambales, itong si Roger Ondoa. Great story. Mahaba-haba na rin ang journey sa paglalaro ng basketball.
Tsaka Mark, malaking bagay na rin yung style ng depensa ng Benil Blazers. Hindi na naka-full court.
Aviles clean up. Wala. Again, tough interior defense by Benilde. Inot. Liwag. Yes. And he's gotten so good with those short shots, Coach Jerry. Oh, Roger Ondoa chasing it down, pero goaltend. Alright, ito yung block ni Roger Ondoa na turned into a goaltend, tumama muna sa board. 16 points on the board for Benilde, Coach. Lahat ng nasa starting 5, including that basket coming from Ian Torres.
Hindi sila nag-uusap doon.
Pumuntos na lahat ng pinasok na player ni Coach Charles. Lahat
Yes.
na nagsimula sa kanya.
Oo, so tinetesting nila yung depensa ng LPU Pirates dito. Doon sa flex screen sa corner, yung screen, huli doon They're not talking. It's either switch or go through.
Pero Coach, Ato Barba, nasa laban na natin. First attempt is a miss. Halfway through. Liwag, hinahanap ang bola. Liwag! And that's a foul on Ato Barba.
Actually, maganda yung depensa ni Aviles doon Tinanggap niya out of his comfort zone. Kaso, isang rip kuha
Nalagpasan siya ni Liwag. And that's the advantage na meron itong si Allen Liwag. Again, kung maalala natin, storya nito, pre-pandemic, nasa lang, Coach? 6'1", 6'2". Tapos nung nag-pandemic, nag-growth spurt. Diba? Tapos pagbalik daw sa EAC, Back then, EAC, ano na, 6'6 na.
Wow.
Di ba?
Oo.
Pero, na-maintain niya yung guard skills niya.
Oh,
At saka
yes.
yung quickness niya, pati na rin yung footwork.
Correct. Oo. Para magkaroon siya ng versatility. Kasi baka there will come a time, maging 4, stretch 4.
Yeah.
Itira din sa labas to eh.
Yeah. Di pa niya masyado na ipapakita, pero meron yan. He misses the first though. Blazers with an early 8-point advantage dito sa ating first quarter.
Hindi malayo tong batang to, kunin sa national team eh.
Yeah.
Diba?
Marami nang nakaabang dito, coach.
Oo.
Oh, he missed 2 there though. Here's Greg Cunanan. Cunanan. To Aviles. Ooh! Doesn't get the roll. Sorry miss for Aviles, but that was a beautifully ran pick and roll by LPU. Liwag inside with a left hand.
May kanan, may kaliwa, jump hook. Yun lang naman ang kailangan mo i-master sa big man eh.
Yeah. And they're really taking advantage of Liwag's height underneath. 20-10 lead for the Blazers. Montaño puts out the fire and buries the 3.
Yan ang nakakatakot dyan sa LPU Pirates. Pwede tumira yan. Peñafiel,
Yeah.
Barba, Guadaña, may tres lahat dyan.
Maraming
Bala.
bala at shooter. Gabi Cometa. Ito na si Justin Sanchez backing down. Onato Barba. Sanchez off the glass. Plus the foul for Justin Sanchez. And that's something he has shown us this year. His back to the basket game, Coach Jerry.
Yes, gandang post move yun. And it's a good eye contact para sa guard, para i-recognize yung advantage.
Yeah. Because in the past years, when he was with the red and white, alam natin ang diskarte ni Sanchez, di-dribble sa may 3-point line, aatakin yung depensa, lalagpasan, tapos magdadrive. This year, he's taking advantage of that 6'5" frame, especially at the post. Okay, 10 ulit ang abante dito ng Benil Blazers.
Medina from the baseline. Kala ko short. Hindi diretso yung follow through. Medina zone to. Naka 1-3-1 ngayon sa San Sebastian. Trying to get into their zone offense. JRU wants to get that shooter loading on the corner. Wow, Raimundo staring down Rish.
Balik sa ating laban. And we're currently in a timeout. Let's take this opportunity to acknowledge the presence of Sir Dax Castellano, Mancom representative ng De La Salle College of St. Benilde. Right beside him, teka lang muna, Big Sean Umali, former LPU Pirate. Next year, magiging manlalaro na siya ng Benilde Blazers.
Hoy, kapitbahay lang.
I'm wondering, siyempre, ngayong araw, kampi siya sa Benilde. Siyempre, yun yung current school niya. Pero meron kayang underneath, meron pa siyang pagmamahal sa LP. Mga dati niyang teammates to eh.
Yes, hindi mawawala
Di
naman
ba?
yan. Oo.
Alright, 23-13 in the first. It is Benilde with a double-digit advantage. Guadaña will attack. Guadaña unable to get it, but he draws the foul. Guadaña has been producing here in the first quarter.
Tsaka ang ganda ng shot pick niya. 2 beses, oh.
Pinakagat kita muna sa 3-point line. Pagpasok ko, sige. Diyan ka ulit sa taas. And McLeod, especially, his game has matured. Parang sabay sila ni Ato Barba na nagmamature yung laro. Of course, they need to step up. No Enoch Valdez anymore. Walang JM Bravo at least until the end of the season. No Sean Umali as well. So, these guys really need to step up offensively.
Yeah. Ngayon, binigyan nila ng different looks. Tinutuwan zone press
Ayan
nila
na.
agad, no?
Pero maitatawid to ng Benilde. Sango sends it out. Sanchez puts it on the floor. Sanchez. Gabi Cometa being closely eyed by Guadaña. Sanchez, pinag-isipan yung tres. Barba, binabantayan siya. Nice move from Sanchez.
Malalakas siya, ha? Off the dribble. Meron laro yung dito yung Sanchez.
This is the man of the quarter for LPU, Guadagna. That's over the backboard for Maclod. But I think he has dealt enough damage as part of the starting unit. Look at this move by Sanchez. Ito naman yung kanyang kayang gawin off the dribble. Taking that one to the left, spin to the right, down the middle. Scoring over Barba. Liwag, backing down. Sanko, ilalapit. Mark Sanko, yes!
Yun, very basic ang mga mistake ng LPU Pirates dito. On the ball, one shot take,
Yeah.
blow by agad.
This is something they need to address. Villegas, pinora yung depensa. Count the basket and the foul for Renz Villegas.
Yes, oo.
Ito muna yung take out ng Allen Liwag. Mark Sanko did not settle for the outside shot because he had a free lane ahead of him. Pero ito yung na-miss natin mula kay Renz Villegas. He needs to be more consistent with this.
Yes, oo.
Kasi coach, last season, siya yung talaga yung microwave off the bench ng LPU na pag pinapasok siya, instant scoring kagad.
Eh ngayon, lalo na ngayon, ang laking challenge sa kanya, si Cometa lang ang katapat niya. Oo.
Papagod siya
Wala
dito,
si
coach.
Cheta.
Cometa. Oh. Sends it out. Sanko, extra pass. Kahukong. Too strong. Battle for the board. It stays with Benilde. LPU, sabi, i-review niya po ito kasi questionable yung tawag. We'll see. Oh, that was close. So gumamit ng challenge si Coach Gilbert and he is using this time along with Coach Charles na rin to regroup. Let's see from this angle. Yun yung hawak. Oh yeah. Mukhang last touch ni Sanchez.
Oo, parang last touch niya.
Because yung initial na salo, Coach Villegas, si Sanchez yung nag-iba ng direksyon ng bola.
Nag-push out ng bola.
Minute 10, 53 left. LPU needs this to finish strong. Ooh! So it stays with Benilde. Okay.
Nice break. Para sa Benilde Blazers. Pero alam mo, Mark, malaking bagay din yung magkakasama sila sa high school. Especially itong nakita natin sa high school, sila
Marami
Guadagna,
yan.
di ba?
Yan, Guadagna, Barba.
Barba, oo.
Si Kunanan also came from the Junior Pirates
Juniors
program. Okay, so nagamit na ni Coach Gilbert yung kanyang challenge dito sa laro natin. Liwag inside. Couldn't score with the left. That's gonna be credited to Allen Liwag.
Grabe yan. You have to, lalo na yan, talagang rule dyan is pag nakadalawang rebound na, dapat i-face guard mo na eh.
Yeah.
To contain him.
Revers drops in for Montaño. Ito si Cap Cometa. We expect him to be playing extended minutes in the absence of Jomel Ancheta. Sanko from straight away. Sanko knocks it down.
Nakita mo rin yung tingin ng Cometa kanina. Lumusot yung pasa niya kay Liwag.
Yeah. Slash. And the foul for Renz Villegas. How about Benilde?
Ganda rito sa Benilde Blazers. They take turns in scoring.
Yeah.
Hindi talagang kamong nagbabakawan. Suabe yung ikot ng ball.
Iba-iba yung pumupuntos, Coach. Fifth point of the game right here for Mark Sanko, who drains it from the outside. Tama ka, Coach. Iba yung kumbaga kalat yung scoring para sa kanila. And ganito kalalim yung lineup. We emphasize that. lahat ng ipasok niya, meron talagang capability of not just scoring the basketball, but creating for themselves.
Yes, oo.
Yeah.
Ano ka lang, you just have to believe and trust the system. And it will work wonders for you.
Creating for themselves, I should say. All right. Under a minute left. Cometa. Ilalabas. Nabasa ni Villegas. It will go the other way. Coach Gilbert doesn't like it. We'll check out the replay. Hindi na sila makahingi ng review. Nagamit na ni Coach yung challenge kanina. It looked like it came off
Yes.
Villegas. Nabitawan lang.
Uncontested naman yun eh. So, Villegas ang last touch.
So 42 seconds left in the first quarter. Cometa ang nagbaba. Kahukom finding Sanchez here. Facing up on Taileg. Surveys. Quick bounce. Balik sa kanya. 5 to shoot. Kahukom needs to take. Kahukom. Difficult shot. But he had no choice. Rebound. Ending up with nobody, but it's going to be LPU basketball. They can opt to take the final shot of the first quarter. Palitan ng tao para sa Benilde. Pati na rin sa LPU. Takwadanya on your screens. Checking back in. Edson Serrano papasok para sa Blazers. So Maclod will handle this. 5 to shoot. Guadagna with 3. Guadagna is fouled by Mattioli.
Oo. Sayang yun. Medyo outbalance na si Mac Guadagna doon eh. So, makita niya naman eh.
Na veteran move ni Guadagna si Oli, ano?
And that's his strong side talaga, going right eh.
Yeah.
Hindi niya na nileft kasi mas, mas
Alanganin.
kabisado niya yung finishing niya eh, ni Mac.
Kahit na nakakover sa kanya si Oli, nagawa niya ng paraan para makalusot ng bahagya and to take the contact. 1 out of 2 on that trip. And time expires here in the first frame. After the first 10 minutes of action, it is Benilde ahead by 10, 32-22. When we return, we'll resume action with the second quarter of this game. Magbabalik po ang NCAA Season 100.